What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Seance, man. You watching Seance TV, and I'm back with another video, man. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, man, and join the grind gang. As you can see, I am on the grind, man. This is my my third auction in the same week, bro, in 3 different cities. So if that don't tell you that we on the grind, man, I don't know what will. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Give this video a big thumbs up, man. Also, follow my other social medias, which will be down in the description below, but I'm gonna put on the screen because they're all just Seance TV. And also go to shopseancetv.com and get yourself some grind gang merch, man, if you're on the grind like myself. Now let's get into this video. All right, man, so we are at Odessa out here in Little Rock, man, and we gotta find a couple cars that I got on my list. If you know anything, if you've been watching these videos, you will know, man, I do not like Odessa in Little Rock anyway. They never have any good cars. Yeah, man. They never have any good cars, man. This is Lane Link. He said, "You doing a TikTok?" Oh, no. Oh my God. This is like the 4th Dodge, bro, that I have checked out that has lifter issues. Now, we all know Dodge had issues, but this is getting crazy, bro. What the heck, bro? So this is one of the ones I really want to check out, but as you can see, that's fucked up. So on to the next one, man. It's literally only a couple out here. Only a couple out here today. I ain't gonna cap. So I got a Durango, is right down there. So we got a Durango, we got a Nissan Maxima, and then we got a Terrain. I don't know about the Terrain though. I gotta see how it actually look in person. On the pictures it looked like something may be wrong with the front of it, but I'm not 100% sure. But I only had like four cars I want to come check out here. So here go a Hemi. Here go a Hemi credit acceptance. I always buy from either new car trade-ins or finance companies. What the fuck is that? Bro, that's the AC thing. Oh, that's so annoying, though. Is it? And the AC ain't even working, is it? Let's see. It's always something weird going on with these cars, bro. Alright, so we on the road. What is that, bro? That will make somebody not buy the car. Hell, that will make me not buy the car. And that's why I don't like, there you go. Yeah, that's the blend door, bro. That's why I don't like Odessa, bro. Their cars just, it don't be that many. They be wrecked all up, and they be like something always going on with it. It drive though, but that little blend door thing would probably have to get fixed, bro. Like, all BS aside, that would definitely have to get fixed. Ooh, we got the Hemi in it though. Yes, sir. We do got that Hemi. So, what do y'all think this will go for, guys? What do y'all think this will go for? I gotta take it down the strip. They got the sunroof. I gotta take it down the strip again. Oh, and the noise is back, bro. What? So, bro, this is ridiculous. I wonder. I felt like a little vibration or something in one of the back tires. I gotta check that out. See what that is. Let's see. But it felt like it was over here. Hold on. I said it felt like it was over here, and then look at this tire, bro, and look at that. The fuck? So this most likely will need a new freaking rim and tire for sure, but the body it's okay. Need some work down there. The rest of it look like it's okay though. I can bring that plastic back to life. Look like there was an animal in here, yo. Heck, let's look at these back. Shoot. Okay. So back seats. The seats are in decent condition besides that right there. Of course, it all have to be cleaned up. All right. Let's see. Yeah, they had a freaking cat or something, bro. There go the thing for the glove box right there. Mats. It's a bunch of hair everywhere. Ugh. But it does drop good. Do got that Hemi in it. So let's see. Hold on. It do got that Hemi. Yes, sir. So, and the Hemi actually sounds decent, bro. That's too hard to turn. I ain't got time for it. So, it do sound decent, man. We might have to try to get this one. The only thing that I'm just not digging, bro, that I just don't like at all and will make me not buy the car, what the heck? I smell like water. Is that that noise, bro. And it keeps coming. If it would stop, bro. 33, what's this? It may be alright. But just it's steady coming. Like, bruh. That's annoying, bro. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, bro. I like it, but it's gonna be a lot to deal with. And then the thing is, oh, okay, the AC do work though. Let's see if it's just blowing. AC work though. Just the blend door. I like it. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, other than that dang blender noise. So we're gonna put this on the list, man. And we're gonna keep it going. So yeah. So I'm out here in Arkansas for the people who don't know, and always when I'm out here recording, bro, people always look at, but like when I'm in Dallas or Tennessee, it's kind of more open, you know, like people still be trying to figure out what it is that I'm doing when they see me with this camera on, bro. Okay. So start off good. Let me show y'all around real quick. It's a little ragged out though in the inside, bro. It's a little ragged out, bro, but it ain't too crazy. It got rocks in the tailpipe, bro. Look at that. What the fuck? Alright. But it looks good though. Belt squeaking. That's not a big deal. It do got a crack in the windshield though. But it's not a big deal. Credit acceptance. So from a finance company. I call them a bank. Oh shoot. Yeah, this thing got a bad transmission, man. And it's a 2016. Got a bad transmission. Yes, sir. It's just jerking all over the place, bro. Them dang CVTs, bro. Nissan and them CVT transmissions, bro, is no good. So I know it's gonna be a guy that wants that Durango probably a little bit more than we do, to be honest. But that'd be the one I'll try to get, and if any. This Terrain might be a good one too. If y'all know, I do buy Terrains, and I do pretty well with them, so we finna draw this one, man. So the only thing about this one is I hear a lot of chatter in the motor. I hear chatter in the motor. Let me cut the air off for y'all. It dry good though. Hold on, let me see. Is it warm though? It's not even warmed up. No, it's not warmed up. So, this was really about the only other one that I had on the list, man. So let's try to see. Actually, walk around it. I ain't even walk around this thing yet. Northside Wholesale. These damn things are just turdy, to be honest, man. Like, look at that. All that condensation. Woo. Yeah. And that doesn't always mean a blown head either, guys. I know a lot of people think that just means it got a blown head. That is not the case. But it's not good either, so that means it's just some conversation. It could be something small, but I don't know till I dive in it. So yeah, that's gonna be I would have to buy this thing cheap to put money into it, bro. To be honest. Just being honest. But it's definitely something that you could work on if it's cheap enough, if it's worth, you know. But if it ain't cheap, I wouldn't even mess with this thing, bro. Always, when I'm doing my list, I always put notes. Like, I pay like $2,200 for it. Other than that, they can have it. Them did not sell for some reason, bro. Got a bunch of trucks here today. They're going Chrysler. Go a little Chrysler. 47,000 miles though. What's the deal, man? That's crazy. Oh, it's a RT. You find something good out here, man?
Man, I'll be honest with you, I don't buy this stuff. My niece is needing a car and she
okay.
got no money, so it's one of them kind of
Nigga. Alright, man, so we only got like 2 cars on the list. I'm about to get ready to go because I'm about to go to Dallas in the next couple of hours, but I got a graduation to go to real quick, and then I'm about to shoot to Dallas, man, to get us some cars, bro. This week has been a bad week, bro. Like, we done been down to what, 3, well, this will be the 3rd auction, so, and we ain't got nothing, bro. So I don't know, we gonna figure it out though. We gonna figure it out. I gotta go. I'm going to Dallas to go get some more cars because Arkansas cars trash, bro. So yeah, that is the end of this video, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. As you can see, I am on the grind, man. I am about to start posting every day or every other day, man. So you're finna get a lot of content about cars and just lifestyle and all that stuff in general. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, man, and join the grind gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss no videos, man. And also go to shopseancetv.com, grab yourself some merch, man. Peace.